Hello, everyone. Today I'll show you how to use the Facebook page feeds feature that comes with Buttonizer in a WordPress site. The first way is to insert Facebook page feeds as a block on your page. I'll go to an example page here. And for this example, I'll just add a feed to the bottom of the page that I have. You can add a block in whatever spot you would like the feed to appear. But in my case, I'll go down to the bottom of the page and I'll add a new block. And with Buttonizer installed, the Facebook page feeds option will appear. Once that is selected, the block is added. And over on the right here are the Facebook page feed settings. If you have a saved feed, you can pick it from the list in the drop-down menu. Otherwise, click on Manage or Add New Feeds. You can specify timeline, events, messages for what you want to appear. You can set the dimensions for the size of the feed, and you can configure a few other display options and set the language. You can name the feed as well. That's just a name for your reference, not something that appears to your visitors. Then you'll just click on Save Feed once you're all done. You can then select the configuration that you just saved in the drop-down menu here, and you'll see the feed appear in your editor. If you want a title to appear for your feed, you can enter the title name here. I just want mine to appear at the bottom of my article for this example, so I'll leave the title field blank. I'll go ahead and save my page and then click on View to see how it looks. And here's the Facebook feed appearing at the bottom of my page. You can also insert a Facebook feed into themes that are adding special sections like a sidebar, and you do that by adding it as a widget. I set up an identical page in my blog section using an Inspiro theme as an example. So I'll want to go into my theme editor and I'll go to the widget section and I'll go to blog sidebar. And here you can see I added it by clicking on adding a new block and going to the widget section. And the Facebook page feeds widget is seen here. So I click on that to add it. Now, if I go back to my blog posts and have a look at the blog post with the Facebook feed added, here it is added into my right sidebar. Another thing to mention, when you have Buttonizer installed in WordPress, you will now see an additional menu option for socials, sharing, and icons. You can hover over this item and select Facebook feeds, and that will take you to the list of all the feeds that you have created. Here you can create new ones by clicking on Add New up top. The shortcode for each feed that you create is also listed here, just in case you are working on a use case that needs a shortcode for a feed rather than adding a block. You can also edit and duplicate your existing feeds if needed here. That's it for Facebook feeds and WordPress. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel to see more helpful tips.